YouTube, let's learn the song Leave by Whirr. We can play an E power chord. 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. Alright, let's record a loop. That's a E, G sharp at 4, B at 7. All on the E and A strings. Alright, so that little solo part was this. It's right now. This is a E flat minor. The root is here at the 6th fret on the A string, and you can, so G B G high E string, then back to the B. And then there's a variation, it's just slightly different the second note. I went to, from the G string at 8, I went to 6. And you have, you have scales above and below every note. Alright, that's how you play it. Thanks for that request. Have fun.